Local news for Thursday the 9th of May. The Waihinga Centre in Martinborough has last night won an award. Designed by Warren and Marnie Architects, it was named as one of 5 winners last night at the NZIA Wellington Architecture Awards Public Buildings category. The South Wairarapa Food Bank are looking for a new custodian to be their collection and distribution point for local donations. A South Wairarapa community meeting will be held today. The family works in Featherston at 11:30am for anyone interested. A case of measles has been confirmed at Wellington Regional Hospital. Measles starts with a fever, a cough, runny nose and conjunctivitis, which lasts 2 to 4 days. A rash appears 2 to 4 days after the first symptoms. The measles, mumps and rubella vaccine is free and available from your GP. And in sport, Wairarapa United have a tough ask on Saturday as they play in the Chatham Cup against Hutt City at Trust House Memorial Park with kick-off at 5:30. In the local league, though, it's Douglas Villa who are leading all 3 divisions. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.